Be yourself, everyone else is already taken. Every saint has a past and every sinner has a future. Men always want to be a woman's first love. Women like to be a man's last romance. The best way to appreciate your job is to imagine yourself without one. A good friend will always stab you in the front. Experience is simply the name we give our mistakes. To live is the rarest thing in the world. Most people exist, that's all. One should never trust a woman who tells her real age. If she tells that, she will tell anything. The heart was made to be broken. Always forgive your enemies. Nothing annoys them so much. No good deed goes unpunished. An idea that is not dangerous is unworthy of being called an idea at all. The truth is rarely pure and never simple. Women are meant to be loved, not to be understood. We all in the gutter, but some of us are looking at the stars. Never love anyone who treats you are ordinary. You can never be overdressed or overeducated. Death must be so beautiful, to lie in the soft brown earth with the grasses waving above one's head and listen to silence, to have no yesterday and no tomorrow, to forget time, to forgive life, to be at peace. We are each our own devil and we make this world our hell. Live the wonderful life that is in you. Let nothing be lost upon you. Be always searching for new sensation. Be afraid of nothing. I have the simplest tastes. I am always satisfied with the best. I don't want to go to heaven. None of my friends are there. I am not young enough to know everything. If one can't enjoy reading a book over and over again, there is no use in reading it at all. Life is far too important a thing ever to talk seriously about. It is what you read when you don't have to that determines and what you will be when you can't help it. Man is least himself when he talks in his own person. Give him a mask and he will tell you the truth. The books that the world calls immoral are books that show the world its own shame. Hear no evil, speak no evil, and you will never be invited to a party. Anyone who lives within their means suffers for a lack of imagination. You don't love someone for their looks or their clothes or for their fancy car, but because they sing a song only you can hear. A dreamer is one who can only find his way by moonlight, and his punishment is that he sees the dawn before the rest of the world. Men marry because they are tired, women because they are curious, both are disappointed. Comment down your favorite quotes and share this video with your achiever mindset friends.